A customer recently asked me how to change an uploaded media file to resize it or reshape it so that it was the right size and shape to be a featured image. So let's use the file that you can see in front of you, which I've already uploaded to the media library, and I clicked on it in the media library. What we're going to do now is two different processes. The first one will look at how you just extract an 800 square image out of this existing picture, and then for this picture you'll see that that's no good because it's far too small. So after that we'll look at extracting a square image and then resizing it to 800. So first things first, let's have a look at extracting an 800 square image out of this picture. So underneath the image is an edit image button, which I'm going to press, and I get the attachment details screen with the option to do some editing on the right hand side here. As I said, the first thing we're going to look at is extracting an 800 by 800 square out of this image. Now, rather than trying to drag this so that you get exactly 800 in the selection boxes on the right, what you can do is simply type in the numbers you want. 800 by 800. And once you've selected the area that you want by simply dragging it around, you then simply hit the crop button, and that will extract the relevant image and you can save it. So there we are, we have an 800 by 800 extraction from that particular picture. Now obviously that doesn't actually show us anything useful, so let's have a look now instead at starting with a large image, extracting a square image and then resizing it to 800. So here we are again, we're going to edit the image again, but this time we want to extract a large chunk of this image and then resize it to 800 by 800. So I'm going to put the aspect ratio in as 1:1, and then when I drag I get a square. Once I've selected the square that I want, I'll hit the crop button. I might even, just to make it different, rotate it as well. So now we have a square image, but as you can see it's still 2660 square. However, I am going to save that. So that commits the changes that I've made in terms of cropping and in this case rotating it. Now I'm going to go back and edit the image again, and this time I'm going to apply the scaling of 800 by 800. Scale it down. And as you can see, we've now got an image of dimensions 800 by 800. You don't even need to hit the save button. In fact, it won't let you. As you can see, it's saying the image is saved.